As our application grows, maintaining hundreds and thousands of lines of code in a single file will be difficult. We can use modules to separate code into multiple files based on their functionality. For example, we used functions like add, subtract, multiply in our previous examples. These functions can be extracted into a separate module and the code can be made reusable across the application. Let's create another file called utils.py. Let me move these functions to utils. Let me add another variable also, which is pi equals 3.17. Save it. To use these functions or variables in other modules, simply use import keyword followed by the module name, which is utils in our case. To access add function, you can simply use the module name utils, and you can see all the functions and variables here: add, multiply, pi, and subtract. I want to use add function here. This function accepts two parameters. I'll pass 1 and 2, and it returns the result. I'll store it in the variable result. Finally, I'll print result. Save it and run the code. You'll see the output 1 plus 2 is 3. To import specific functions, you can use the syntax from module name followed by import keyword and specify the functions or variables or classes that you want to import into this module. So I'll add, subtract, and also the variable pi. In this case, you don't have to use the module name. You can directly access the functions. Let me use subtract as well and store it in result 1. I'll print result 1 and also the variable pi. Save it and run the code. We see 1 plus 2 is 3, 1 minus 2 minus 1, and the value of pi. To import everything from utils, you can simply use star here, and this code works as previous, but now we have access to multiply function as well. Result 2, let me print result 2 as well and run the code again. We see the result of multiply function as well. This way we can use modules to organize and easily maintain the code.